in fact go across to Atir, because one of the issues that the BJP has raised time and again is the fact, Atir, that the person in this case, the alleged victim in this case, has not even spoken out once. In fact, some of the letters that have been released from her father's side have been from BJP's office, in fact. How sound is that argument that the person who is the alleged victim here seems to have not registered any sort of complaint, and why there is a case for centre to step in?
Well, you see, it's certainly a weak point in the entire investigation. But the centre would like to look into the larger violation of the Telegraph Act, since this act mandates that such provisions could be used only in cases of national security, and this is not for day-to-day usage or for some personal usage. So certainly there is an exemption which is extraordinary. Was that exercised? And so this will be the course of inquiry which will be carried out by the Commission of Inquiry of a retired Supreme Court judge. But then, as we said earlier, the officers who are involved in this entire process will be called in by the Commission for recording of their statement, and then it will also be looked into whether the norms were followed, whether the requisite permissions were taken from the Home Ministry, the Union Home Secretary, or not. So it will be during the course of this inquiry that we'll get to know whether the position of Narendra Modi will be strengthened or his reputation will be damaged in this entire course.
All right, just quickly one last question to Javed before we wrap this up. Javed, politically, how do you see the BJP fight it out? Arun Jaitley hinted that they could even take this to court because they think it is against the federal structure. The Congress, on the other hand, saying that several laws have been violated, which is why it has the locus to step in and seek this probe.
I think the BJP will follow a two-pronged strategy. Its legal managers will challenge this in court. The politicians will try and give it a political spin, saying this is yet another example of the Congress Party's dirty tricks department at work and the Congress Party's attempt to misuse government machinery to try and get at their rivals.